Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about Luxe Travel Bag 2.0. But before we dive in, just a quick disclaimer, all the info I'm sharing is based on public research and personal opinion. The Luxe Travel Bag 2.0 has gained some attention for its sleek design, convenient size, and the ability to help travelers avoid extra baggage fees. It's marketed as the ultimate solution for people who want to travel with just one bag without worrying about overhead compartments or checked luggage. It's got some nice features like wheels for easy maneuverability and a compact yet spacious design that can fit a week's worth of clothes. Some people are really loving how functional and practical it is for short trips, even sharing their excitement on Trustpilot. One reviewer mentioned that they save money by not having to pay for checked baggage on a recent trip. However, the Trustpilot score paints a bit of a different picture. With a 2.8-star rating and 55% of reviews being 1 star, many customers are complaining about the quality of the bag and customer service. Some users report poor durability or issues with the product not meeting expectations. For example, a couple of complaints point to the bag falling apart after just a few uses or shipping delays. So while some people have a good experience, others feel like it's not a quality product they were promised. So is the Luxe Travel Bag 2.0 worth your money, or is it a scam? If you're someone who's looking for a stylish, compact, and easy-to-carry bag for quick trips, this might work well for you, especially with the wheels making it more convenient. But the low Trustpilot score and mixed reviews about quality control raise some serious concerns. Based on the complaints, I'd say buyer beware. This can be a hit or miss depending on your luck with the product. If you decide to buy, make sure to check the return policy and manage your expectations. And that's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.